Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger XL dual cab ute, stock reference number 4902. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 dents, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. It has a Flexiglass, flat roof, windowless canopy with all bolts and brackets, no keys, left-hand tail light, tailgate's got a couple of small dents, tidy bumper bar, factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, flared type, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, grey centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.